Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com and welcome to the first video in the first day of your 100-day blogging course. Each and every day we'll have a couple of videos and couple of other resources such as PDFs, presentations and things like that. And in each video we will talk about a specific topic. So in the first video of the first day we are going to talk about how you can set goals for your blogging journey. So let's talk a little bit about why goals are important and how goals are going to help you. You may or may not achieve your goals. Most of the people when they set goals, they are afraid that whether they will be able to achieve those goals. But it's okay. You have to be comfortable with the fact that you may or may not achieve your goals. But when you actually set goals, it will help you go in the right direction. You might not go all the way or you might not have the confidence right now that you will end up reaching your goal, but at least you will find in which direction you have to start moving. Also, when you set goals, your subconscious mind will keep thinking on how to achieve the goal. I cannot actually explain how the subconscious mind works, which is beyond the scope of this video. You can go ahead and do your research. But if you set a goal, then your subconscious mind will keep thinking even when you are sleeping on how to go ahead and achieve what you want. So that's why goal setting is very important. So let's talk about what kind of goals you can set for your blogging journey. So there are two things and two kinds of goals. You will be able to set goals which are things under your control, and you will be able to set goals for things which are not under your control. Not under your control, I mean it's not directly in your control, but sometimes it's indirectly in your control. So let's see an example. So things which are under your control are the number of blog posts that you can post every week. So if you decide to post one blog post every week, then you can go ahead and do it. It is under your control. You can maybe think about a goal such as number of social media posts that you can do in a week, and the amount of time you can spend on blogging. That is also something that you can control. It's under your control. If you decide to spend 1 hour per day on blogging or half an hour per day on blogging, then that is something, it is under your control. So there are some things which are not under our direct control. For example, the number of visitors per day, or the number of comments that you receive in your blog post, or the number of social media followers that you will gain is not under your direct control, but it's in a form of indirect control, where if you do the things which are under your control, then the numbers here will increase. So let's look at a sample. So things under your control, you can set a goal of having 2 blog posts a week, or you can set a goal of having 5 blog posts a week, depends on what you are comfortable with. Number of social media posts per day, you can maybe have 5 posts per day, or it could be 5 posts a week. Amount of time spent on blogging, you could decide to do 30 minutes a day. So these are things under your control. And then things which are not under your control, you can set goals like number of visitors per day, number of comments per blog post, and number of social media followers. So like in this example, I have set 100 as the daily visitor count. Number of comments on average for every blog post is 3, and the number of social media followers is 1000. So go ahead and use this template and go ahead and create goals for yourself and put whatever number you want. Go ahead, take a piece of paper and write it down. And what I recommend is that maybe write it down in a sticky note and stick it where you can see it every day. Maybe in your fridge, or maybe while you are moving out of your house, in the back of your front door you can fix it, or you can put this on your laptop as well. So this is something that you have to see every day, so that your subconscious mind starts working towards achieving your goals, and you will start getting inspiration and ideas which will take you towards your goals. So don't take this exercise lightly. I highly recommend that you write it down and stick it, and you can do it right now after watching this video. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.